All right, welcome back to this channel. This is gonna be another short video, and this is a basic quick video to show you what this long hose clamp can do. This is a long hose clamp. You see, it's rugged teeth right there. So those teeth are there to be able to grab any kind of clamp in this vehicle. This is a Chevy Express cargo van, and if you know about this Chevy Express cargo van, the top coolant hose right there, that coolant hose right there, this hose right here, to get to that top clamp is very hard. And usually to remove that clamp, if you follow that coolant hose and come all the way up here to the radiator right here, I'll bring you all the way to the radiator. You'll see here there's another of the same clamp. You see that clamp? These clamps are usually very hard to remove or to put back. Once you remove it, to put it back, because they have a inside here they have a lock mechanism. So when it's open, there's a clip under here. When it's open, there's a clip. So this long side here comes over the clip to open, and when it's closed like this side here, the long side of the clip, has to jump over the hook, the small hook here, the lock mechanism, to close. And that's why it's so hard to get to open and close these clamps. That's why you need some kind of tool. And I found this. Oops. Oh well. It just shows you this is a live video, and anything can happen in a live video. So we'll get it. Let's get this thing back and continue. So as you can see, here we are. This is it's a long reach universal hose clamp, and it can reach any kind of clamp you have in your vehicle. Any vehicle, it's universal. But this vehicle here is a Chevy Express cargo van, like we said before, and we trying to get into to that clamp. So we just opened it and closed it, and you can see the clamp is tight. So this is just to show you what you need. So the only thing you have to remove up here is the air intake, which is here, down there. You can see it right there. So you remove that, and because the clamp, the universal hose clamp pliers is very long, it can reach all the way down there without having to remove anything else. It's 17-inch long. You can see how long it is. And for those who want to know, I got this one from Harbor Freights, and I can show you the packaging too. That's it right there. It's called QUINN long reach universal hose clamp. If you read here, let's see, it says aggressive tooth design, grips hose clamps from multiple angles, locking mechanism, holds clamp in open position for hands-free use. Yep, it will hold the clamp in open position for hands-free use. Large 1.5-inch jaw capacity, grips most clamps. 17-inch length for access to remote clamps. It is true. And if we check the back, it says the same, and it shows you how to use it right here. So once you open the clamp, you can work with both hands to put the clamp inside the hose, then guide the hose inside whatever. Like this one, the hose was going inside the thermostat housing, and once you guide the hose into the thermostat housing, you just take your clamp and close it. You hold the clamp with those two jaws, push it in until it closes, then you release and you're done. So you don't have to use regular pliers or some other funny tools we see people using on YouTube. Just go ahead and get this long reach clamp. It will save you time. Right now it's 2023 is $30, only $30 at Harbor Freights. So grab yourself one, and I'm sure you'll make your job easier, and you'll enjoy it. Let me know what you think about this video. You can leave your comment or question in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.